So the amount borrowed was $20,000. Let's call it P. And the interest was 16% per annum, but the amount, the loan repayment was done monthly. So we need to find the monthly interest. So monthly interest will be 16 over 12, which is 1.5%. 16% interest was per annum, so the monthly is 1.5%. And the loan was repaid, has to be repaid in 8 years, so the time is 8 years. So what we can find, so the total time will be, n will be 12 times 8, because monthly 12 months times 8, 96 months. Now after 1 year, let's call it what the person owes is, after 1 year, P1 plus R, it is 1.5% in terms of percentage, so I can write 0.15 is R here, 0.15, yeah. So this is the amount owed after 1 year before the repayment is done, because it will we have to calculate the 1 year interest as well, which is P times 1 plus R. And after the loan repayment, so that is minus M, if M is the monthly payment, after the monthly payment, sorry. So M is monthly payment, so this is the amount owed after the monthly payment is made, repayment is made. And then A2 is the second month owed is 1 plus R minus M, and then this is 1 plus R, so the interest is also happening every month, and then minus M, so this is P1 plus R square minus M1 plus R minus M. So we can see a pattern there. If we go for A3, we will see P1 plus R minus M1 plus R minus M. So this is the amount owed uh, after second month, and then after third month it will have 1 plus R. So this is the amount owed now before the third month monthly repayment is made. After the repayment is made, it will have M less. So like that. So we can write the series now. A96 will be oh, I didn't do the multiplication, so this will become 1 plus R, there is a square there, sorry, so this is cube minus M1 plus R square minus M1 plus R minus M. That was the A3. So A96 of course will be P1 plus R, 96 there, 96 minus M1 plus R, 95 minus M1 plus R, 94, and then so on, finally M, just M there. So this is the 96th month, the amount owed after 96th month, that is after the end of 8 years. Now after 8 years, the whole amount has to be repaid, so A96 has to be 0. This one, sorry, 96 has to be 0. So we have 0 here. We have P1 plus R to the power 96 there, and then minus M. If I take the M outside the bracket, 1 plus R plus 1 plus R square up to 1 plus R to the power 95 there, 95, so like that. So it's M what we need to know. So this is a geometric series, and the first term is 1, of course the common ratio is 1 plus R. So I will rewrite this one on this side, 1 plus R, 96, and this is M. If I do the summation, that is, the formula is like that: A, the first term, R to the power n minus 1, R minus 1, where the uppercase R is the common ratio, A is the first term. The first term is 1, so 1 there times 1, and the 1 plus R is the common ratio to the power 95 minus 1, so 1 plus R there minus 1. So if I plug in the values now, this is 20,000 there, and 1.015 to the power 95, and then M here, this will be 1.015 to the power 90, that one is 96, sorry, here on the left hand side, and this is 95 minus 1, and then 1.015 minus 1 is 0.015, like that. So if we solve it, the result we will get is, of course we will solve for m, so this is 20,000. I will still rewrite here, 1.01596 there, and this one is 1.015 to the power 95 minus 1 over 0.015, like that. So we have to plug in the value in the expression properly, in the values properly in the calculator, and the result we get is $394.46. So this is the monthly repayment that has to be made so that the loan is repaid in 8 years.